Okay, now we'll create the SQL database. So we can go to create resources, search for SQL database, or just choose SQL database from here. And click on that. And then we select our resource group. We can, database name should be unique easy 900 database. That works fine. Just make it a little bit longer, SQL, even fine. And then server, we don't have a server, so I need to create SQL server. Server name SQL server easy 900. Oh, that's name also used, so I'm gonna use maybe dash here. No, easy 900 SQL database, SQL server easy 900 database. Okay, server admin login azure admin. Password I will type my own, which is azure admin 123. Azure admin 123. Something wrong, your password. Okay, so again, azure admin 123 question mark. Your password cannot contain all or part of the login name. Okay, so I'm gonna name it easy 900 easy 900 question mark easy 900 easy 900 question mark easy 900. Okay, password not much, do it one more time. Easy 900 question mark easy 900 easy 900 question mark easy 900. Now, and then the location, let's use as usual West Europe. And okay, so now we have a database server. Now server, it's SQL server 900 database. Okay, we want to use SQL elastic pool. Let's say if we said yes, elastic pool, we have here option, we need to create elastic pool, but for now we don't need to create elastic pool, so we'll go with no. And then this is saying standard okay, so here if we click on configure database, we have few options: basic, standard, premium. Basic, standard, premium. Also premium not available. Why? We have a new way to configure your database. Okay, so there is a new base, Azure Hybrid benefit for SQL Server, independent control of storage costs. Okay. So this is vCore. I know vCore. Okay, so now why this is not available? Premium tier is not available for free trailer. So now I have these two option, and these two option, they will charge with something called DTU, data transfer unit. It's like something composed of storage and transaction. Like, okay, what is DTU here? Let's quickly check what is DTU. DTU is server tier in the DTU based purchase model, Azure SQL manage, and blah blah blah. Choosing a service tier depends on the premium. Okay, so here saying server tier is a in the DTU based purchase model are differentiated by a range of compute sizes. Fixed includes storage, blah 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 blah. So, however, there is a switch period. Okay, this is too much jargon, honestly. Single database DTU. Okay, let's quickly see what DTU stand for. And okay, Denmark Teknisk University. If we said database DTU transaction unit, so I think by transaction unit, database transaction unit is like read, write, insert, or delete. So if we said we want to have 100 DTU, the price will be changing, right? So if we said, for example, we will have this, now we will have to pay 2000 per month. But if we choose only 100 DTU, let's go to 100 DTU, we will pay 1300. If we go to 20 DTU, we will pay 262 per month. That's when we're choosing the standard. What if we go to the basic? Uh, See, when come to here, the storage does not matter. We can use any storage we want. We will be charged only on DTU. If we go to here, it is 2 GB data max size, and DTU is the very basic. So basic means you got 2 GB with a basic DTU. They're not mentioned details here, but it costs 43, which is enough for demonstration. vCore, it's more where you can decide how many cores and data max size here, and the price will be different, depends on the size and the cores. Is there a new way? So if I said I want at least 2 cores and I want, let's say, 100 GB, this will cost me like 300. If I said 5 GB, will cost me, wow, what's wrong now? How this is more expensive. So if we go again, 100 costs 3000. This is not 300. Let's see, 2 GB is 3000. Okay, which is too much, honestly. So for now, we'll stick to the basic. Now let's say apply. Now review and create resource. Let's say previous. Before we do this, as usual, like, okay, here, let's see, we have some more option. Connectivity method, public endpoint, allow Azure services, yes. Access the server, add current client IP address, yes. Next is use existing data source. Backup, like let's say sample, to use some sample data. And collection SQL, Latin, general, we'll leave this. And start a free trailer, no? Here, we'll give it a name of database SQL easy 900. And now here I will give it a tag of easy 900. Okay, now review and create. Validation pass, no validation. I will just click on create, and now this should take a minute. No password to save, just wait. And here this might take a few minutes. We have a sample data to look into it. Let's see, SQL database is a relational database, kind of strict. It has rules for connecting the data and storing the data, which I prefer SQL relational database because it is for the long term better, I think, as it has very strict relations between tables and the way you store data, very structured, and I think that will help to save space while also on another hand there is a simplicity in the architect of relational database. So maybe designing will take time more than even creating. While NoSQL database is more like just work, just create your data and store it and work with it. So I think that will be a little bit messy. I think different fields can have different type of databases, but for now we're demonstrating the SQL database. So this is almost done. Yes, it is done. Go to source, and then this is an overview for our database. If we go to quick start, not really, we will go to query editor preview, and then here we need to log in to our database SQL server authentication. The password was easy 900, easy 900 question mark, easy 900. Okay, now we are inside. So here's our tables from the sample database. Here's the views and stored procedures. Okay, so obviously here our data is about, our table is build version error log. This is like system files, if I can say, I'm not sure. Now we have address, we have customer, we have, if we click on customer table here and say, okay, here we have option select top 100 row, and now that's the query, select top 1000 from select from cells lt dot customer. Let's run this query, and now we have some data here. So yeah, customer ID, name style, title Mr. Mrs. Orlando, first name, middle name, N dot, last name Gia. So that's a relational database. Okay, go back to home. Not now. Your unsave edit. Yeah, I'm not gonna save anything now. And that's SQL database, and that's the notification our database created. Thank you.